Hello, I'm Hugh from All Preparation Equipment. Today we'll be going over some tips and tricks on how to use your Dustcontrol DC2900 portable H-class vacuum cleaner to get the best results on site. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel if you haven't already. The DC2900 is ideal for basic cleanup and dust extraction on some small handheld power tools. It can also be used for dust extraction on the DSM-250 when connected with a separator. So the DC2900 is a 10 amp vacuum, plugs into standard power. Got the on and off switch up the top here with the red filter light indicating if the filter's clogged. So doing a filter clean, turn the vacuum on. And then you can either block it off with the bung at the inlet here, or plug the hose in at the back to block off the suction. While it's building up pressure, you open and shut this flap here 5 to 10 times, and if you hold it open and turn the vacuum off, that lets the dust that's been loosened drop off the filter and fall into the bag. So we've got the hose hooked around this lead here, which helps for so it doesn't pull out of the inlet here, and then a handle for portability, carrying it upstairs. So to do a bag change with the Longo Pack system, after doing the filter cleaning function, this is the hose, the floor tool end, which can be also connected to a dust shroud. So to use the wand, we've got two wheels here that you adjust the height of with this dial so that they're just in line with the rubber suction sleeves. So plug this in at the floor tool end, and then you can vacuum up, do general cleaning with the floor head. When using the Dustcontrol H-class vacuum cleaners, we recommend doing a filter cleaning sequence every 15 minutes or when the performance has reduced. Always remember to replace the bag when it is full. As always, make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE when working with any machinery, and for more in-depth safety information, refer to the manual. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button before you go. If you're interested in any of the gear we showed you today, call us on 1800 422 992. Catch you on the next one.